Ducati Bike and Electric Motors in 2030, is the boss of the VW Group Matthias Müller, who explains the plan of the manufacturer will build an electric vehicle including two wheels known as the Ducati brand that is in 2030. But it can be developed faster depending on the conditions and the development of the automotive market in the future. What about the CEO Ducati Claudio Domenicali, who himself a few years ago also discussed this electric motor? Yes, I think electric vehicles will be very exciting for the future, even though we still think today is too early to talk about the battery technology, so when we put it on the bike you have to compromise with the weight. Currently if you want to reach a reasonable weight range. So it will come too, but it takes longer. Could make electric motor will be easy for Ducati. It seems now still focus on high performance motor fuel. Desmos Odyssey.